Hi friend, this is Raj and you are watching For Education channel. Today I will discuss with you how to concentrate in studies. This is important for us because if you have a long destinations, you see that you several times you will be caught demoralized because a lot of the studies to the struggles, and if anyone's you met they have talking in front of you very neutrals or negatives, then you feel that you sometimes you will be feel and find to yourself as a very demoralized. The reason is that you see that at the times you will see a lot of the opportunities I have losses, but one things is there. If you think to the ourselves that you have the persons that can do it everything because you have continuous diligence and hard working to the ourselves and days and the night. When you are going to studies, you see if you are in the positive way, at least 15 to 20 minute you will be studies very well. After that you will feel boring. Why you are feeling boring at the times? You see that what is the measures and what is the common things that we follow. The reason is that if you are studying very hard subject at any topics like economics हो गया and at any subject, then you see that if you find boring to the ourselves because in the our hierarchies in your chronological method have some error, so that you feel like boring or hesitations. Some of the things that we should follow to everyone's, that like if you are studying at least 5 or 6 hours in a day, then you have need to be rest after 1 hour later. If you are taking break in between the 1 hours 15 minute later, at least 20-25 minute, then you will be approved to ourselves and you will be boost up to ourselves at the times you can, and in between the times you can search at any topic, and you can take the help of the social medias to improve your knowledge. Some of the basic things that we have get neutralized if we are studying for a higher studies, and then this is the not a very short period of time for completing the destinations. If you are preparing for the UPSC examinations or SSC, CGLs and any other kind of the job, then you always keep up to yourself very motivated in this subject, and you will be find to yourself always you will be glorifications in your faces, and positive energies will be boost ups in your body. And apart from that, you will be see that if you are walking and if you are watching your mobile phone, if you are walking on the road, you see that some kind of the happenings on the road. You see that if you are standing on the road or beside the road, you see that all of the moment is to be there on the way, but you have taken and enjoying at the situations at the regions, and you are enjoying your pleasant, then you find to yourself that you have the good confidence, you have improved your bodies in positive way, and after that you will be studies very high performance of qualities, and you will be get a more knowledge during the studies. If you are studying, some of the major things I want to share with you because I have also followed in these steps, so that I have improved a lot of things in my uh, in myself. That's why the reasons. So I want to share you because I have also boost ups in your life gradually, not very fast, but at the place I feels very happy, is very pleasant with us and with my families, and so many persons is to be there. So this is the things. If you are studying in the night at least 6 5 or 6 hours is to be need to everyone's to sleeps and good sleeps, and not take to any mm, hard food in the night, because you have at the times to be sit on the studies at least the uh, 12 o'clock 1 o'clock. If you have studies, after that you have need to 5 hours rest. If you taking rest, your bodies will be developed good positives, give a good strength to your mind, and your mind will be very boost up and keep up to you very higher and grows with us to you and your mind. So that this is the reasons that grows your bodies and you to yourself, that you will be always motivated, and you will be find to you very well, and you will be different from the other persons, because some of the persons have been talking like the neutral such negatives. So you accept that things which is you have required in yourself, that is the things you have accept only, otherwise you will be leaved everything. That's why the my positions which I have shared with you, and after that you see and you share and comment to us. Thank you, bye bye.